Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have somewhat of a first impressions. I ordered some brushes off of Amazon. These are the Princeton brushes from the Neptune line. Let's see, and there's 4 of them in here. And they come in this plastic case here. Ooh. There's a little bit of binder at the top. Let's see, these 2 have plastic around them here. Okay, that one's good. Let's see, so the little one here is a size 4, and I have a size 8. That was the last time I purchased one. This one's a lot smaller. That's good though, I don't have a size 4. And then this bigger one is a 12. Oh, that's a really nice size though too. Again, I have a cup of water here off on the side. And then this pretty green one. I love that handle too, it's pretty. And then the last one here is the oval. This one is a half. Okay. And I'm just going to do, see, I have my little sketchbook here. This is watercolor paper, and we'll just do some doodles here and see how the brushes are. Let's see here, I guess we'll go with the little one first. Let's see, I'm going to need a little bit of paint, so I'm just going to pull out an older palette here, some Art Philosophy. This is a really nice size. This was the 4, and I have a 6 in a different brand, and then I have an 8 in this same Neptune. But yeah, you can get your super skinny lines, a little bit fatter. These brushes are really nice. I really do enjoy the Neptune series. These handles are small. They're very, very smooth too as well. And this one was the oval, and this was a half. This one's nice because it has that point at the tip. I thought maybe this one would be nice for leaves. Something quite different. I don't have an oval brush, so that's good. Let's see, so we'll do a little bit of green. Yeah, that's going to be really nice for leaves. It's like the perfect size brush. else do we have? Oh, the 12. And you can see here some comparisons here. This was like the little 4. This was the 12. And I'll show, this is my previous one. This is an 8 that I already had. So the 12 is pretty big. Just gonna rinse off some of that binder. And I actually got really, really lucky. I think there are some that are still available. I don't remember how many though. I think it did say low stock, but if you go to the actual like Princeton site, the Princeton brushes, these 4 brushes are like $84, and I think it was like $84 and some change. But on Amazon, I found them on sale. They were like $29.95 from the same seller, the Princeton. But that's like a dramatic difference in price. So if you can find them on Amazon, yeah, be sure to pick them up. And these are very similar to the natural hair brushes, but they're not. These are synthetic. There is no animal fur or hair or anything in them. They do glide really smooth though. Yeah, that's really, really nice. These would be really nice for florals or even just bigger pictures. Very smooth. And again, I didn't have one this large, so that's really nice. That's pretty big. Yeah. I like it though. Okay, and what do we have? Oh, this was the flat one. Again with the pretty, it's like a frosty mint green handle. I have the smaller one. This little tiny one is 1/4, and then the bigger one is the 3/4. So it's quite a difference too as well. This one would be nice for backgrounds, large washes, getting those flat lines, like horizon lines. That's what this one's going to be nice for. And again, I don't have one of these either, which is why I wanted to purchase this specific pack. Let's see here, what color should we use? Let's go with the bright green. It's a big swipe. Yeah, you'll be able to do like a nice smooth background. That's very nice. Overall, I'm definitely pleased with my purchase. And like I said before, if you can find these on sale on Amazon, you should definitely pick them up if you don't have these specific sizes. Of course, if you have similar sizes, you probably wouldn't need the specific kit. But again, this was the size 4. And I will show close-ups in the end of all the brushes. So you can get super, super skinny, like little tiny hairs.